fantastic math learners. Today we're doing 9 divided by 6 and Anna's going to tell us how she did it. So I've got $9 here. How did you do this question, Anna?
Well, I'm going to think of it as $9 in between 6 people.
Okay, so 6 people share $9 or $9 into 6 equal groups. So I've got the $9 here. Shall we start making these 6 equal groups?
Sure.
Okay, what do you want to do first?
I want to share $1 into each group.
Okay, so that'll take care of this, right? So there we go. So 1, and we'll just put them spaced out. Okay, so there's one group. That's how much one person will get, another person, and then so on. But what do we do with this extra $3? Because they still have $3 to share.
I want to put them all into 25 cents. Well, I want to do 25 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents, and 25 cents per dollar.
Okay. So I'll exchange this then for quarters because if we just put them down, they're not this good. This person's going to get $2. That person's only going to get $1, right?
Mm-hmm.
They have to be equal. So, there is $1 and $2. And I've got to exchange this one for 4 more. And we've got another quarter over here. So we still have $3 here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So there's our $3. But how many do we want to put in each of these groups?
I want to put 50 cents per group.
Okay, so there's 50 cents for this person. Oh, okay. Oh, we'll just put them underneath so that people can see them. And they all look exactly the same. There we go. And one more. So that's pretty nice, Anna, because now we have 6 equal groups. And in each group, how many is there, Anna?
There is $1.50.
Okay, so how much? So what's 9 divided by 6 then?
9 divided by 6 is 1.5.
Or $1.50, right?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
Thank
Nice
you.
job.
Bye, everyone.
Today we're doing 9 divided by 6, and Louie's going to tell us how you solve this.
Yeah.
All right, Louie, what'd you do?
Can we, instead of doing 9 divided by 6, can we do what times 6 equals 9?
Oh, yeah, you like multiplication, don't you? So
Yeah.
what times 6 equals 9? Okay, let's bring out one group of 6, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. So there's one group of 6.
Yeah.
So we know that 1 times 6 equals 6. But we got to bring out 3 more, right?
Yeah.
So, what times 6 would equal 3?
0.5.
Yeah, or a half, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So then we have one group of 6 and half a group of 6.
Yeah.
So 1.5 times 6
equals 9.
Perfect. So we can use this to actually figure out what's 9 divided by 6.
1.5.
You are amazing. Great job.
Thank you.